In 2020, I realized that I needed a new roof. So I got 3 recommendations, as they tell you to do, and Drew from Guardian came out, and he did the most thorough inspection of my house. He climbed on the roof, he looked at the chimney, he climbed in the attic, he took pictures. He was extremely thorough in everything that he explained to me. He described all of the products and the process, and I was so impressed with him that I probably shouldn't say this, but even though Guardian wasn't the least expensive, I decided to go with their company. And when the crew came out, they were extremely professional. They were kind. Any questions I had, they answered thoroughly. I was really, really impressed with everyone at Guardian, from the office personnel to the guys that came out and cleaned up afterwards. They left my yard looking beautiful. You couldn't even tell they'd been here except for the brand new pretty roof. They reinstalled a dome for my solar tube, which without charging me. They even replaced the greens on my gutters that I didn't even ask them to do. They just did that. So I was really pleased with the entire process. You wouldn't even know they were here. The place was so clean. So I've been very pleased with Guardian Roofing and Insulation. I have recommended them to friends and family, and I will recommend them to just about anyone.